Hello everybody, I want to give you all another update. Remember the first planting that I showed you all, when it started to throw and all that? You guys won't believe how much more have thrown since that first one. So okay, this was the first one you all saw every step of the way. Then I came across this little baby here. And then as I'm going along just now there I noticed this one, and wait, that's not all. Here we go. Boom, another one. Oh my goodness. And I have one more to show you all on the other side of the garden. So let us go across on the next side of the garden and check out the other one. That one has gone so big a stick had to be placed to prop it. So let's go across on the other side. And just now we had to prop it up because wow, they just start to just throw all at the same time. Like what? Isn't God awesome? So I want to show you papayas. You guys have seen those papayas from Tiny Tot. From flowers actually, I have been showing you these papayas. Look, just now we'll be eating some papayas virtually together. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I just wanted to give you all that very quick update on the plantains and how they have been growing thus far. And the first plantain that is ripe and papaya that is ripe enough to eat, we shall eat it together virtually. Thanks for watching.